Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Today, I'm here to share with you something very small but very special. If you're an Acholi out there, you ought to know this. And trust me, it's an amazing thing to know something about your roots. It gives me so much joy, so much happiness. As you can see, I'm all chilling just around my beautiful place, all alone and having a good time. Today, I just want to tell you something about how we as the Acholis got to have this special dance that is liked by everybody. According to what I was told, I don't know how true this is, but as of what I'm told is what I'm going to tell you. It's an amazing story, by the way. And somehow it makes sense to me. And I want to think it's going to do the same to you who is watching this channel right now, who is watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to make a comment. And also like, and above all, share with your friend or colleague to also have a taste of what I'm about to share with you. Once again, I'm Joseph Caesar, the CEO, the Managing Director, the Team Lead of Deyopakaka Cultural Dance Troupe that is found in Agago District, Northern Uganda, Paimol Sub-County, Kokil District. Kokil Village, no district, sorry about that. Long, long ago, here, the Almighty in heaven, God called out people that you, my people, tomorrow I want to see you all very early in the morning. I have some things that is so special that I want to give to each and every person of you. And this person, by that I mean each and every tribe. And then what happened is that day came, that special day, that D-Day that people looked out for came. And the K'jongs were the first to arrive at the venue of where the ceremony was to take place. The Karamojongs were the first to arrive. They were the first to arrive so early in the morning. And then the second team to reach was the Langis of Lira, Leptong, Kole. And then the third team were the Acholis that came through. Then here was the order of the gifts that were given to people. So the people that arrived first, the Karamojongs or the K'jongs, were given cows, so in plenty. Then the second team that came through were the Langis, and they were given goats, so many in numbers, and they left after receiving their gifts. But then the third team that came through were the Acholis, and guess what happened? The Acholis were told by God that you people, you arrived so late. Now, how best am I going to help you? Your friends were here so early, they received all the good things that you should have received, but you're here so late. How best can I help you? Guess what happened? It was something so special. God picked a drum. In Acholis, we call it bull. God picked the drum and gave it to them that this is for you. So when God gave them the drum, not now them, but us, because I'm also one of them. When God gave us the drum, this is what happened. The Acholis, which is now me and you and us, if you're one of us, we started beating the drum. Trust me, the sound that came was an amazing sound, and the Langis and the K'jongs were perplexed with the sound. They couldn't demystify what was happening. They were all taken aback. So they started asking themselves, what is happening? What has God given those guys with that unique and melodious, so sweet? The sound was so sweet, and they couldn't wait to put their eyes on it. And you know what they started doing? They started jumping up and down to make sure, because that moved the distance, that moved so far from where the occasion of giving things was taking place from. So they're taken over. And when they had the sound, they started jumping up and down to make sure that they're able to view what that was. And you know what happened? At the end of the day, that is how they ended up having that kind of a dance of jumping up and down as their traditional dance. Wow. Trust me, this story is just so sweet. I don't know how many of you are going to believe me. I don't know how many of you are going to believe what I've told you. But trust me, so much makes sense, right? Because when you look at the K'jongs, up and down, yeah? When you go to the Langis, also up and down. Yeah, that is what I had to share with you today. Catch me up next time. A lot more is coming your way. Big ups, and don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe and also love. Big up.